Hello there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time on this channel, please click on the like button, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you. You can also check out my previous videos. I released a video on how to maximize data on YouTube and how to do online broadcasting, online radio for free using your mobile phone. Nothing else, just your mobile phone for free. Alright, and in this video I will be taking us through a tutorial on how to do online transaction. You want to pay online, you want to pay for school fees, you want to buy something online, you want to pay your Christian, you want to pay your tithe or offering, you want to give a donation to an organization. The format and the procedure is always the same. So you go to the site you want to buy, so you just search for give or give online, donate. Most sites use donate, some use give. Button to do now. The first thing is that it will bring you to a page like this. Of course, it will not be the same as this, but for my church, this is the page. So I will type in the necessary details. My name, you see, my phone number. So, alright, so so the page will ask me whether I want to pay with bank or pay with card, but most times you pay with card. You pay with card. I think that's very good. I won't take us through paying with bank. Paying with bank is also another method. Alright, so I like my card number. Alright, so I'm typing my card number so ensure you type the correct number. So as soon as you type the first, alright, so make sure you type it correctly. As soon as you type the first 2-3 numbers, it will tell you the kind of card you are using, whether you are using a MasterCard or a VAV card or a Visa card. But for me, I'm using a VAV card, so I need to cross-check the number again whether it's correct. Okay, alright, so you can see the number is correct. So I'll type the expiring date. Now this CVV number is the number behind your ATM. You have the front of your ATM, you have the back of your ATM. On MasterCard, you have just the number, the 3-digit number. But on VAV card, just like I have here, I have about 7-digit number. But you are expected to type the last 3 digits. So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to cover this so just to be safe. Alright, so I'm going to pay after I pay that. So I'm going to type my PIN. So after I've done that, so last digit. So an OTP will be sent to my number, the number I used to register. Okay, the message has entered. Alright, so the OTP is normally maybe, so type the OTP here. So payment successful. Alright, so that's just basically all about online transaction. You can try it. Any question you have, if you're having any difficulty, or let me quickly say that depending on your card, for VAV card, you can't use VAV card to pay. Like currently I'm in Nigeria, you can't use VAV card to buy something outside Nigeria. If it's an international transaction, you can only use VAV card for within Nigeria. But for MasterCard, you can use it to buy anything anywhere around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please once again like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you.